In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install TradingView on Mac. So the first step is to simply click on your profile icon in the top left corner and then simply click on Get Desktop App. Now after we do that, we just have to click on Download for Mac and the download should start automatically. Now after we do that, what we're gonna have to do is simply click on the TradingView file and then simply drag and drop this into the applications folder. Now we just have to wait a few seconds. As you can see, it's installing. Now after that, we can close this and then simply go into apps. Now from here, we can simply search for TradingView, click on it, and then we'll be able to use the desktop application on our MacBook. So as you can see, it loads up. So we just have to wait, and we already have our account linked. So as you can see here, we can sign in with our browser, but overall, that's all we have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.